Okay, this was our corner recording on plays that end in 0. So 20, 30, 40, and so forth. Any number that ends in 0. Now this is a play that we typically call as an audible. We typically will not start by calling this play out. This is a play that either I'll call from the sideline, or better yet, this is a play that I would like to see the service guy make the call, or the guy right here. Okay, so these two have to stay in contact visually and stay connected as we set up the situation. What we are looking for is that we are looking for unmarked space by no defense in this space right here. Okay, if we see a defender, for instance, marking this outside back, or a defender sitting here, then we would not do this. But if we see that there's no defense and these guys are marked out here and this space is open, then this would be a good scenario to run play 20. Okay, so let's take a look to see what we want to do. And again, this is a great counter play, getting a great second attempt, and but by intention. So what happens here is obviously our A, B, and C players, they move accordingly. Okay, and they run the same run. And what happens is we call 20. This guy wants to turn, check to the ball, so he's going to check to the ball. And we want to play a nice ball onto the ground, nice crisp pass. And as that ball is checking to him, then the outside back wants to hard sprint and get to the 18. And basically we want to lay off, a nice soft touch, and then basically this guy is going to put a direct shot or service onto goal. Again, the intention of that is a shot on goal, low, hard, and playable, because remember, we have A, B, and C players attacking on the net. Okay, and this is a great player where the A players go in, curl out. If we get a deflection, then the A player up top can get a second opportunity and so forth. Okay, so again, we're taking the ball, we're playing it to the guy that was on the goalkeeper, and the goalkeeper lays it off for a shot on goal. Okay, so the two things that are important is this guy has to go right on command. So if we call 20, he goes right away. Then this guy has to also appear that he's out of the play and then quickly get engaged. And it's a timing situation. And this is something we'll probably only be able to run once in a game. But again, trying to get a second opportunity, because now we got a shot on goal with hopefully nobody in our way, or minimal pressure, a good window to get a playable ball into the box and hopefully a scoring opportunity out of it. Okay. Now, let's say that this guy snuck over and did mark this guy as he comes in. We would simply play the ball into him. We would simply do a layoff to the service guy, and the service guy would put a ball that's playable, and then we would have these guys again moving on to the space and trying to get a playable ball into the goal. Okay, so really we have two options. First option is the defensive back, and the second option is a layoff for a reservice to this guy right here.